it is clear the shape of the earth is what? Spherical. Not almost spherical. That means what? That means oblate, spheroid or geoid in nature, in shape. So today's topic is shape of the earth is spherical or almost spherical. What is the evidence? And why this sorts of question is asked? Because of in India, Indians long years ago, around 1400, 1200 BC ago, we have so many manuscripts and texts like Vedanga Jyotish, and after that 7th century and 4th, 5th century we have Varamihir, we have Brahmagupta, we have Aryabhat, and Aryabhat in Aryabhattinam and in Saurya Siddhantam. This is the text, this is the manuscript given by them, which is evident that the shape of the earth is spherical. But in the Western world, before 15th century, till 15th century, we can say, they deemed as earth is a flat in nature. So, after the voyage of Ferdinand Magellan's, it was clear that the shape of the earth is round, and there are so many evidence, substantial evidence, which prove the shape of the earth is spherical, not flat. So today we are going to know a few of them. First and foremost, the circumnavigation of the earth. In between 1519 to 1522, there was a Ferdinand Magellan and his crew, which started voyage, and with this voyage they move all around the earth, and he that time told, we don't have any sorts of sharpened thing, any sort of thing which encountered us, which is the proof that earth is spherical. If it is flat in nature, somewhere they encountered, but they hadn't encountered any sharp edge, so it is proof that the shape of the earth is spherical. Second one, the circular horizon. Circular horizon, when you go and stand any coastal area, any coastal region, and you see far, far, far away in coast region, it seems water bodies, sky meets water bodies. This is only possible when the earth is some sort of curvature here. If there is flat, no any. This is the evidence. If you watch here, you have, if you are here, it seems to be the horizon, the coastal plain, sky meets here. Like that. Why this is possible? It is possible because of the height increase. When the height is increased, the magnitude of the horizon also increased. When the height increased, the magnitude of the horizon also increased. That's why it is possible to circular horizon. It is possible that the shape of the earth is what? Almost spherical. So you can also observe this particular things. Since you are in a area of plain, so you go to the larger agriculture land, agriculture field, and stand there. When you see far away, it seems to be a sky meet the field at the end of the point, which is why the reason is the increase the magnitude, the increase the height, magnitude will be increased. Okay, with this, the visibility of ship. When ships come near harbor, first what we see the mast of the ship. But when the ship go far from what? Harbor, what we observe? We observe that that ship, we first see the hull of the ship. So it is also evident that when ship is in the flat surface, we see all things of the ship. But in the curvature, we have like this, we have like this, we have like this. Anything, if you move from here to here, from here to here, here to here, what is this? Nearer, if you come to nearer, first thing you see this, and the last one is this. So it is evident that the earth is circular. Sunrise and sunset, this is the also region which so earth is spherical. If earth is flat, the difference between the time of sunset and sunrise is not happen. We know that every area there are different time of sunrise and sunset. This is only because the earth is what? Spherical. And the position of pole star. If earth is flat, pole stars can be seen anywhere, everywhere. But this time pole star see only North Pole, from North Pole only. This is the big reason for what? Shape of the earth is spherical. Now, planetary bodies are spherical. Lunar eclipse. In lunar eclipse, when the shadow falls, Earth's shadow falls on moon, it is shown that in curvature, not in the flat, which is also a proof Earth is round in a shape. And the planetary bodies are spherical. If we see with the help of telescope, terrestrial telescope, we find it out the heavenly bodies in a solar system is spherical. By analogy, it is also evident that Earth is round. And last but not the least, Bedford level of experiment. This is also important. Wait a moment, just take a screenshot of this and we will write back.